The prosecutor's findings reveal some responding deputies turned off their body-worn cameras. That's one of several issues the sheriff wants examined in this case. Major Chad Dickerson is the focus of this report. Court documents allege that on July 12th, Dickerson failed to yield at an intersection, causing a collision that rolled a family's Ford Expedition, injuring 2 people inside. Now the response from Pierce County deputies raises more questions.
As soon as I received this document and reviewed it, and the undersheriff reviewed it, we opened an investigation into all the conduct of the deputies involved at the scene that day.
Court documents say deputies allowed Dickerson and his family to remove items from his vehicle and pick up debris before the investigating agency, the Washington State Patrol, arrived.
That should not have happened.
Some deputies activated body-worn cameras, then turned them off.
I believe everybody that arrived at that scene that day should have had their camera on.
Sheriff Keith Swank points to a county policy he considers problematic.
The vehicle or body-worn camera should be activated in any of the following situations. The key word there is the word should. Had I been the sheriff when this was written, the key word would be shall.
Standard best practices are you don't turn off your body camera.
King 5 law enforcement analyst John Urquhart says turning off cameras can impact an investigation and notes the charges here are significant.
Vehicular assault, just by definition, someone was injured, seriously injured, by your vehicle. It's a serious charge.
Court documents state that Dickerson acknowledged drinking a couple vodka sodas earlier in the day, but said, "I don't feel like I was impaired." Toxicology results show his blood alcohol concentration was .09 more than 3.5 hours after the collision. He remains on paid administrative leave.
By Monday of next week, I'll let you know what I plan to do in the case of Major Dickerson.
The crash injured a child and a grandmother who fractured her vertebrae and ribs. The next court date is set for November 6.